Service by Shults Ford is open in all 3 of our locations. Our team is ready and excited to serve you safely. Some of the new things you'll see at all of our Shults Ford locations is our new and improved check-in process, which allows for a safe and simple experience that follows the CDC's social distancing guidelines. The safety of our community, customers, and team members is our number 1 priority, which is why we sanitize each vehicle's touch point before and after service. And there's even a little card that tells you when you get in your car after having it serviced that this vehicle was sanitized. We have ramped up cleaning and sanitation within all of our facilities with round-the-clock sanitation of all facility touch points and have provided sanitizing stations. And if it's more convenient for you, we will come to you. We now offer no charge at-home pickup and delivery service just for you and provide you with a disinfected service loaner. Because of the overwhelming demand, we have added Saturday service from 8 a.m. to 1 p.m. to accommodate your busy schedules. And to schedule an appointment, just visit schultzford.com or give us a call. We thank you for your continued support, and we will continue to support you also. Thank you, Pittsburgh.